Hey everyone, welcome back, and in this video I'm going to show you how you can stop your Mac from automatically sleeping. So for that we naturally have to go to the settings app like this, and in the left panel when you click on energy like this, you'll see a couple of toggles depending on your specific computer type, but at the top I can see prevent automatic sleeping when the display is off. And when you have this toggle enabled, it just means that even though the screen might be black, some things like running downloads or uploads or whatever else is going on is still going to continue. So that's how we can prevent the Mac from sleeping and making sure that the things are still going on in the background. But that's just the first part of the story, because you can go below and click on a wallpaper in here. And essentially you can proceed to screensaver. And for me, I have this flip clock set as screensaver, which is for the situation when the screen goes to sleep, basically. And this screensaver starts, for me it's set at never, but you can be at like 1 minute, 2 minutes, or any of the time intervals. And that is kind of important because, if you have it set to like 2 minutes, then of course the Mac is going to go to sleep pretty early. So that's how we can prevent it from happening. But that's going to be essentially everything. I'm going to wrap up the video. Subscribe so you don't miss more, and I'll see you later.